The Rocstedi Podcast.
Let's try.
Thank you for calling your neighborhood Pet Supplies Plus, America's favorite neighborhood pet store. To talk to one of our team members, press 0 now.
Supplies Plus Long Beach. Michael, how can I help you?
Yes, hello, Michael. My name is Samjit. I want to calling for some advice. I come to your store. I buying some bird seed for going home for this, and I going to my garden. I planting the bird seed, but no birding grow.
You planted birdseed?
Yes, I planting the bird seed, but yet no bird come to grow.
So this is a joke.
I don't think it's very funny, my friend. I just talking for bird
So
seed.
you planted birdseed and you thought birds were going to grow?
Well, yes, that's what bird seed doing, right?
Dude, you're freaking
You're like, dude, you're freaking joking.
Dude, you're freaking joking.
Good man.
Well,